Hello students, I hope you are well. My dear students, we have started real numbers in which we have done number system also, and now we will discuss more about number system in which first point is prime number or composite number. So today we will start with prime number or composite, either you can say prime and composite both. Okay, in our number system prime number and composite number. Prime numbers. First, what is prime? What is prime? A prime number is which is greater than 1 and which have only two factor. A number greater than 1 have only two factor. Okay, means 1 and itself. कोई एक ऐसा नंबर है जो एक से क्या है बड़ा और उसके टू फैक्टर है, विच आर टू फैक्टर 1 and itself. Either you can say 1 or itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, all are example of prime number. You know, 2 का फैक्टर आप क्या क्या लिखेंगे? 2 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? 2 in ones, 1 into twos, 2, either 2 into ones, 2. Okay, तो 2 है only two factor, 1 and itself. So 2 is prime number, and you can say 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay. Now, composite number. Before starting composite, if suppose I will write 712 is prime or composite, either you can say we want to check it is prime or not, या either 513. अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा ग्रेटर नंबर आ जाए जिसको चेक करना है ये प्राइम है या नहीं, तो उसका बेस्ट मेथड क्या है? आप उस नंबर का सपोज 513, ओके, आप इसको सपोज करेंगे x और उसका क्या निकाल लेंगे? स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, तो सपोज x is 513, find its square root. 513 आप इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लेंगे. ओके, और इसका स्क्वायर रूट सपोज कीजिए नियर अबाउट कितना आ जाएगा? 25 पे करेंगे मोर देन होगा 23, 22 पॉइंट समथिंग. अगर आप 513 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड, तो you know 2 2s 4, 1, 2 2s 4, then 3 पे क्या हो जाएगा? 3 3 9, 3 4 12 more, so 2 पे लेंगे आप 13 minus 4, 9, 2. ओके, तो 22 पॉइंट समथिंग. तो जस्ट ग्रेटर देन वेरी क्लोज इंटीजर कौन सा होगा इसके? 23. कौन सा होगा? 23. ओके, नाउ 23 से लेस जितने भी प्राइम नंबर हैं you know 2, 3, 7, 5, 11, 13, 17, 19. ओके, अगर ये सभी नंबर्स 513 को डिवाइड करेंगे, अगर डिवाइड हो जाएगा देन इट इज नॉट प्राइम, इफ नॉट डिविजिबल देन इट इज प्राइम. ओके, सो आई विल रिकैप्चुलाइज अगेन. अगर आपको कोई ग्रेटर नंबर चेक करना है, इट इज प्राइम और कंपोजिट, तो उस टाइम पे आप क्या करेंगे, आपको सपोज करना है, आपको करना है चेक 917 इज प्राइम और कंपोजिट. जस्ट आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आप इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे. क्या निकालेंगे? स्क्वायर रूट. सपोज कीजिए 30.5 स्क्वायर रूट आ गया. ओके, लेट अस सपोज. तो इससे जस्ट ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर क्या होगा? 31. ओके, तो आपको 31 से लेस जितने भी प्राइम नंबर होंगे, लेस देन 31 प्राइम कौन से होंगे? सेम ही चलेगा. देन 29, 31. ओके, तो इन सभी से आप क्या करेंगे? 917 को डिवाइड करेंगे. अगर वो कंप्लीट डिवाइड होता है देन नॉट प्राइम, इफ नॉट डिविजिबल देन इट इज प्राइम. ओके, सो इन नंबर सिस्टम व्हाट इज प्राइम? A prime number greater than 1 and which have only two factor, 1 and itself, and 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, अगर आपको कोई ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर चेक करना है, इट इज प्राइम और कंपोजिट, तो बेस्ट वे क्या है? उस ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर का आप क्या निकालेंगे? स्क्वायर रूट. और उस स्क्वायर रूट से वेरी क्लोज ग्रेटेस्ट क्या लेंगे? इंटीजर. उस इंटीजर से लेस देन जितने भी प्राइम नंबर होंगे देन यू डिवाइड दैट नंबर बाय फाइंड आउट प्राइम नंबर्स. इफ इट इज डिविजिबल देन नॉट प्राइम, इफ नॉट डिविजिबल देन इट इज प्राइम. ओके, नाउ कंपोजिट नंबर. नाउ कंपोजिट नंबर. Composite numbers, a number greater than 1 which have more than two factor. More than two factor means 1 itself or any other. 1 itself or any other. Suppose 4, because 4 in one tables, in two table or in table of 4. 4 have three factor, 1, 2, 4. 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. 9, 1, 3, 9. Now which have more than two factor, that number is called composite number. That is called composite number. Clear? So here we decide, we can declare 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So in number system we have discussed about prime number and composite number. Composite have more than two factor and prime have only two factor. 1 is neither prime nor composite and the 2 is only even prime number. And check for if you want to check any greatest number which is prime or composite, suppose I will write again. Suppose we want to check 1017 is prime or composite. Prime or composite. Then what will you do? सबसे पहले आपको इसका क्या निकालना है? स्क्वायर रूट. क्या निकालना है? स्क्वायर रूट. और स्क्वायर रूट को आपको जस्ट ग्रेटर देन क्या लेंगे, कोई भी इंटीजर, सपोज करो हमने क्या लिया k, और उस इंटीजर से लेस देन जितने भी प्राइम नंबर होंगे, लेस देन प्राइम, सपोज इसका स्क्वायर रूट हमने सपोज किया लेट 33, ओके, देन लेस देन 33 जितने भी प्राइम नंबर है, सपोज 2 3 5 7 11, तो उन सभी नंबर से किसको डिवाइड करोगे, 1017 को। अगर वो जिससे भी कंप्लीट डिवाइड हो जाएगा, किसी भी एक नंबर से अगर कंप्लीट डिवाइड हो गया, देन इट इज कंपोजिट, अदरवाइज प्राइम नंबर। ओके, नाउ को प्राइम, what do you mean by co-prime? Co-prime, two number which have HCF as one, highest common factor is 1, is called co-prime. What is co-prime? Highest common factor of two number is 1, then both are called co-prime. Okay, means 3 5, either 3 4, because both have HCF 1, highest common factor is 1. And twin prime means both prime differ by 2. For example, 3 5, 5 7, 11 13 is called twin prime. Okay, let us see next theorem. Now dear students, now in class 10th, after Euclid division lemma and algorithm, next theorem is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. According to Thom, every composite number, you know, every composite, for example 12 is composite. Every composite number can be expressed as product of prime, means every composite number can be break into product of its primes. Now for example 12, now 2 6 12, 2 3 6, 3 1 3. Now 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now every composite number can be expressed as product of its primes. Now you can see 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3, means product of primes. Okay, and this prime factorization is unique. क्या आप इनको और ब्रेक कर सकते हैं? No, 2 and 3 cannot be more break or more factorize. Apart from being an order, you can say which the prime factor occur also in order. Order means first 2, then 3, then 5, okay, then 7. If I will take another number, suppose 30, so we will start from 2. 2 ones, 2 5s, then 3 5s, 5 ones. So 30 can be written 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So we will write the factor in ascending order. In which order? Ascending. Okay. So suppose x is any composite number and its prime factor we suppose p1, p2, p3 up to pn. Okay. With multiply. If x is a composite number and prime factor of x is p1, p2, p3 up to pn, then we will write in ascending order. Okay, we will write in ascending order. So it is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, and you keep in mind every composite number can be break or can be expressed as product of its primes, and these prime factorization is unique. Unique means we cannot factorize more, and also in order. In which order? Increasing, not in decreasing. Okay, so you should always keep in mind when will you make factor, to start with 2, if not 2 then 3, if not 3 then 5. Okay, in order 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, sometimes 5 and 7 not there, so it can be starting with 3 then 11, but always in increasing order. Now let us see example. Now find prime factors. Either you can say factorization of 5 for 6. 5 for 6. Before starting factor, you should keep in mind divisibility test 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, so 2 mostly we are using 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So now here unit digit 6, so we will start from 2. 2 2's 4. 1 1 for 14, 2 7's 14, 2 3 6. Then can we divide at 2? No, because here unit digit is 3. Now check their sum. 7 3 10 to 12. If sum of digit divisible by 3, sum of the digit any number divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3. So starting with 3, 3 9s 27, 3 1s 3. Then 9 1 cannot divide by 2. Either you can say 9 1 10, also no divisible by 3. After 5, after 2 3 and we get 5, but for divisibility test of 5, unit digit should be 0 or 5, but here unit digit is 1, so not 5. Then 7, yes, we can divide it 7. 7 1 7, 7 3s, then 13 is 130. So 5 4 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7 into 13. Okay, so it is the expression of a composite number in the form of prime number, and all prime in order, means in increasing order. Okay, now let us see next example. Find missing number. So you know 17 2's 34, 34 2's 68, and 68 2's 136. Okay, so in this way you can fill up missing number, or you can fill up tree chart. Okay, next example. Now we have one problem about HCF and LCM, and you know what is HCF? Highest common factor. What do you mean by HCF? Highest common factor. And what is LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Okay, LCM is least common multiple and HCF is highest common factor. So we need to find HCF and LCM of 26 and 91. We will use fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Sometimes question में ये भी हो सकता है, by using fundamental theorem of arithmetic find HCF. तो it means आपको क्या करने हैं? Prime factor. Fundamental theorem of arithmetics, another name is by using prime factor. So first we will make prime factor of 26, also 91. Okay. Now by 2 1s 2, 2 36. Now 13 1s 13. Here cannot write 2. Then 5 3 no 7. 7 1 7, 7 3s 13 1s 13. So here prime factor of 26, 2 into 13, and prime factor of 91, 7 into 13. What is common between both? Highest common factor. Highest common is 13 in both. So HCF is 13. HCF is 13. Okay. HCF is 13. And for LCM, now property for LCM is LCM of two number. You will take all prime factor but don't repeat. But if two numbers same with, we will take highest power number. So here 13 raised to power 1, also 13 raised to power 1, 2171. So we will take all number. But in case of repeating, in both number we will take highest power number. So we will take 2, 7 and 13. Let us suppose one number is 2 into 7 into 13, another as 7 into 13 square into 5. Then what is LCM? We will take all number 2, 1. Now 7 here. Suppose here 7, 3, here 7, 1. So we will choose highest power number 7, 3. Here 1, here 2, then 13, 2. And we will take 5 also. Okay. The LCM of in LCM of two number, we will choose all the prime factor. You can say all prime number. But in case of repeating, we will choose highest power. Okay. But in HCF, we will choose common number between both the numbers. So here what is common? 13. So HCF is 13. And here LCM is multiply 91 into 2, 182. HCF and LCM. One another property you have done in earlier classes also in 7th, 8th. First number into second number equal to HCF multiply LCM. First into second equal to HCF multiply LCM. Okay. So suppose we have first number is 26, second is 91 and HCF is 13. We need to find LCM. And you know here HCF in multiply, when you will take transpose, then it will come in divide by HCF. Okay, now what is first? 26. What is second? 91. HCF 13. Then 13 was 13, 13 sevens. 7, 6, 42. 182. Okay. Our LCM is 182. So keep in mind one property about HCF LCM of two number is first number multiply second number equal to HCF multiply LCM. Now let us see next example. Now in next example we need to find HCF and LCM. So here number is 12, 15, 21. The question may be by using fundamental theorem of arithmetic find HCF and LCM of three number. Now we will find out its prime factor of 12, of 15 and of 21. Now from 2, 2, 6, 12, 2, 3, 6, 3, 1, 3. Here not at 2 then 3, 3, 5 is 15, 5, 1 is 5. 3, 7 is 21, 7, 1, 7. So 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 15 is 3 into 5. 3 into 7. You know which is common. You know in all have 3 as common. So HCF is 3. HCF is 3. But for LCM we will write all prime factor but don't repeat. If case of repeat we will write highest power. So here you can see 2 into 2, 3, 3, 1, 3 raised to power 1, in all have same. So we will write only one time. But we will write all factor, 5 also, 7 also, and solution of its multiplication is 16 to 7, 420. It is LCM. But in case of three number, first, second and third, it is not equal to HCF multiply LCM. It is in case of only 2, first into second is equal to HCF multiply LCM, not in 3. Okay, you keep in mind HCF into LCM is equal to first into second only for 2 numbers, not for 3 number. Clear? Now let us see next example. In the same way you can find out more example, you can solve problem. Okay, in today's video we will do only this part and wait for next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.